Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a very nice Ronson standard automatic petrol lighter that is wrapped in leather. I believe that is some kind of reptile leather. Does show some wear, scuffs, plating loss, dings. Replaced the file wheel in it, and it is working fabulously. The leather still seems to be in pretty good condition. I cannot recall whether I rewicked this lighter or not. I don't think so, but it wouldn't shock me. See, it is marked Ronson, Newark, New Jersey, and Ronson Standard, trademark, all that patent information. The monogram panel shows some corrosion, maybe plating loss. There was some green film buildup, oxidation, when I received it. You can see that there is some plating loss to the upper portion of the lighter, but still in pretty good condition. And the way it is functioning at the moment, very nice lighter that somebody should have in their pocket. And when you're out to dinner, when your business associate needs a light, or your date, or your companion, you're the guy. I don't like carrying around lighters that have paint on them, and I'm not a huge fan of carrying around lighters with leather covers. It's just a lot of things that can go wrong. The Ronson Whirlwind Imperial that I had brand new, that came out of the box, and I set it down in my hand and the leather cracked on it. It was a very handsome lighter, and I've used it a lot now. It's one of my EDC daily use lighters. Been multiple videos made of it, but it doesn't have its leather cover on it at all anymore, other than some remnants of the other side that are stuck to the residual adhesive. A little bit of carbon buildup, dust, nothing major, just a lighter that's been used. You can see the seam. It appears to me to all be still held down real tight. So I won't be putting this lighter in my pocket. Now that it's functioning this well, I'm going to go ahead and list it, put it for sale. It's a really awesome lighter, a very good looking lighter that would present well, display well in a collection. But just as I've been carrying that Majestic Views Virgin River Zion 540 color process Zippo, and just being careful with what I keep in my pocket, you could do the same with this. If you carried it in a shirt pocket and never had pressure on it from anything else that it was riding with, then I think you could probably get away with leather a little bit better than you can some of the painted lighters. Who knows? There was a fellow a while back in one of the lighter groups, maybe the Ronson lighter repair group, that was recovering them with leather. So it can be done, but of course everybody would rather have it in original condition, not recovered, but with its original leather. And while you can see that this leather does have some blemishes, scuffs, it's not perfect, still a very good lighter in excellent aesthetic condition, and also very good working condition, if not perfect working condition. It's marked Ronson, then with the C on the back side, copyright. And its snuffer cap is one that has the side gears integrated into the snuffer. So very functional, classy, handsome, brass plated chrome, leather wrapped, automatic Petrol lighters. I would guess from the 1940s or early 1950s. Not a whole lot of difference between any of the Ronson, the Gem, Princess, all of those. Some of the mechanisms a little bit smaller, shorter. Of course the Adonis and some of those were a little different, but still operating off the same basic principles, and I believe all having the same patents applied to them. See, there is some damage to the slot on the fuel screw, just some minor damage. As I said, definitely some damage to the leather wrap, though still in very good condition. Some dullness or plating loss to the monogram panel. General plating loss, wear, dings, but absolutely nothing that keeps you from purchasing this lighter and using it to light up every night. Until next time.